20th Century Fox Bloopers 2! Alright, here's the first take. And action! Whoa! That searchlight became a lightsaber. Whoa! Uh-oh. Ah! Okay, back it up. Back it up. Why does it say 13th Century Wolf? And why did one of the searchlights become a lightsaber, slice 13th Century Wolf, and then point at the camera? I wanted it to be called 13th Century Wolf, and I wanted that searchlight to become a lightsaber because I thought it was pretty cool. It's not 13th Century Wolf, it's 20th Century Fox. And that searchlight wasn't supposed to become a lightsaber. Okay, fine. Here's the next take. And action! Cut! Why does it say 21st Century Fox? Because I decided to put 21st instead of 20th. It's not 21st Century Fox. It's 20th Century Fox. Okay. Here's the next take. And action! Cut! Why does it say 20th Century Studios? Disney renamed it, so I had to put Studios instead of Fox. Ha ha ha. Well, I like how it looks, but it's not 20th Century Studios, it's 20th Century Fox. I do prefer Fox instead of Studios. Okay. Next take. Action! Cut! Why does it say celebrating 75 years? Because I had to put celebrating 75 years on top of 20th Century Fox. Ha ha ha. It's not supposed to have celebrating 75 years. It's supposed to be normal, okay? Okay. Next take. Action. Cut. Why does it say 20th Century Disney? And why are there so many searchlights? I wanted to put Disney instead of Fox, and I wanted to put a lot of searchlights in it. Ha 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 ha. It's not 20th Century Disney, it's 20th Century Fox, and most of the searchlights need to be put away. Okay, fine. Next take. Action. What is this? Cut, cut, cut. Why does it say Disney Fox Studios? And why does it have some fanfares mashed up together? Also, you forgot to remove most of the searchlights.
Oops, sorry. Also, I wanted it to be called Disney Fox Studios because I like it that way. And I wanted to add some fanfares together. Ha 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 ha.
It's not Disney Fox Studios, it's 20th Century Fox. And put most of the searchlights away, please.
Okay.
Next take. Action! Whoa. What is happening? Whoa! What the? Cut, 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 cut. Why did LEF destroy 20th Century Fox?
Because I wanted LEF to get revenge on 20th Century Fox.
Ugh, you're starting to make me mad. 20th Century Fox was not supposed to be destroyed by LEF. Got it?
Okay, I got it.
Next take. Action. Cut! Back it up. Why does it say Hemker Official Productions? Also, official is misspelled.
Don't judge me. Also, I wanted it to be called Hemker Official Productions. Ha 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 ha.
It's not Hemker Official Productions. It's 20th Century Fox. Now get it right.
Okay.
2 more takes. Action.
Warning. Reactor core is at critical point. All reactor core safeguards are now non-functional. Please prepare for reactor core meltdown. Explosion.
Whoa.
Evacuate the facility immediately.
Oh.
No.
Whoa.
No, no.
What the heck? Cut, 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 cut. Why did it say Fox Star Studios, just like in the first TCF Bloopers video, but this time it got destroyed?
I wanted it to be called Fox Star Studios, and I wanted to destroy it because I thought it was funny. Hee hee hee, ha 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 ha.
Oh my gosh, what is wrong with you? It's not Fox Star Studios, it's 20th Century Fox, and it's not supposed to be destroyed. I'm giving you one more chance, and if you mess up, I will fire you. Okay?
Okay, I'll try to get it right this time.
Good. This is the last take, and it better be right. Yay, this is perfect! Good job, you are not fired.
Yay!
Thanks for watching, guys. I will do 20th Century Fox Bloopers 3 soon, so subscribe if you haven't already. Bye!